Okay, so in summary, we went through in this module and we took a look at security threats. Remember, things like humans, they're a threat to us. I know. Skynet, it will succeed. No, we have to take into consideration different things that create threats to us, whether it's a physical threat, and how do we protect ourselves from those threats. We also looked at those attack vectors, different ways that attackers might try to come in or infiltrate our network environment. And we also took a look at IPv6. Yes, it's great, it's automatic, but it can create some problems for us. We just need to be aware. Now, listen, I don't want to be Mr. Gloomy here. I love technology. You just have to understand what it is you're dealing with so that you can be prepared. It's kind of like driving. Listen, when I drive into work, if I have to drive into Salt Lake, it takes me a good 45 minutes. And I know that I have a higher chance of getting in a car accident than I do getting in an airplane accident. But I'm willing to take that risk and drive that distance to achieve what it is I want to achieve. And it's the same thing with technology. You just have to be aware of the technology and what it could possibly expose. Next up, we're going to talk about hacking concepts. Ooh, I just got a geek chill.